coughing around the Christmas tree. It's a COVID holly-hop. Nobody's meeting up to dance, 'cause indoors we have to stop. Coughing around the Christmas tree, sanitizer everywhere. We need to limit trips to the bar, 'cause there ain't no loophole there. You will get a most unusual feeling when you're sniffing all your food. It seems so boring. Your sense of smell, it needs restoring. Coughing around the Christmas tree, don't forget to disinfect. When we wash our hands all day, our loved ones we protect. If you've got symptoms, please get yourself tested. It's suggested keep your distance at the outlets, 'cause we shouldn't share our droplets. Coughing around the Christmas tree, what more can I say? Maybe next year we'll party again, 'cause the COVID's gone away.